In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to upgrade your village to level 4 in LEGO Fortnite. It's super simple. First of all, you obviously need to get your base to a high enough level, and to do so, one of the things you'll be making in this level is likely a stone breaker. With this, you can process marble and granite into slabs, and by placing this down, as well as probably a few other buildings and items, you'll eventually have the first requirement complete, which is the village rating. Once you've done so, you'll need to collect yourself 10 Knotroot, which can be done by simply heading into any cave around the map, indicated with these icons, and inside of them, destroying the squiggly, curvy kind of wood on the walls using an upgraded uncommon forest axe, which you can make in a crafting table using just bone and wooden rods, the wooden rods you create with wood at the lumber mill here. Then, after you've collected yourself 10 Knotroot, you'll also need to refine 15 wood into 15 planks, so I'll craft up another 14 of these, plank, change recipe, and 14. Then, you'll finally also need to collect 25 granite, which can be done super easily by simply chopping it up either with handmade pickaxes or pickaxes that you find on skeletons, for example, then destroying any number of rocks that you can find anywhere around the world. It's simple enough to do. If you happen to break one pickaxe, if you found them on skeletons, simply pick up another one or swap to another one and use this one for its entirety too. Although don't travel too far, otherwise HP resets. There we go. We'll grab the last of our planks, head across to the village center, upgrade, and now we can finally do it. With this, we'll unlock cooking and branching out. Just like that, we are now village level 4. If we check out our crafting recipes, we've unlocked on the builds tab, the log cabin and log watchtower, which are absolutely huge monuments. On the building parts tab, we've unlocked different kinds of floors used in these, as well as different kinds of walls and beams. Scrolling down further, log windows, log doors, etc., stairs, as well as railings and fences, supports, and finally a few different kinds of roofs used on our new structures. On the furniture tab, we've also unlocked a different kind of bed, a charming bed. I assume that this one gets you rest a bit faster, something like that. It uses 6 planks instead of 10 wood. On these surfaces, we've unlocked a table, a lamp, displays, and finally a closet and a dresser. Pretty cool. Anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.